Today's topic is ratio. 10 MCQ questions and answers. Question number 1. The ratio of ages of two persons is 5:9 and the age of one of them is greater than the other by 40 years. The sum of their ages in year is A. 180, B. 140, C. 150, D. 160. The answer is 140. B. 140. Explanation. We have given the ratio is 5:9 and the age of one of them is greater than the other by 40 years. So 9x is equal to 5x plus 40, or 9x minus 5x is equal to 40, or 4x is equal to 40, or x is equal to 10. Therefore 5x plus 9x is equal to 50 plus 90 is equal to 140. Answer. Question number 2. There is a ratio of 5:4 between two numbers. If 40% of the first is 12, then 50% of the second number is A. 18, B. 24, C. 12, D. 20. The answer is C. 12. Explanation. Numbers are 5x and 4x. 40% of 5x is equal to 12, or 40 by 100 into 5x is equal to 12, or 2x is equal to 12, or x is equal to 6. 4x is equal to 4 into 6 is equal to 24. 50% of 24 is equal to 50 by 100 into 24, or half into 24 is equal to 12. Answer. Question number 3. If x is to y is equal to 3:4, then the value of 4x minus y is to 2x plus 3y is A. 4:9, B. 8:9, C. 4:3, D. 8:3. The answer is A. 4:9. Explanation. X is to y is equal to 3:4 given. So 4x minus y is to 2x plus 3y is equal to 4 into x by y minus 1 is to 2 into x by y plus 3 is equal to 4 into 3 by 4 minus 1 is to 2 into 3 by 4 plus 3 is equal to 3 minus 1 is to 9 by 2 is equal to 2:9 by 2 is equal to 4:9. Answer. Question number 4. If rupees 1000 is divided between A and B in the ratio 3:2, then A will receive A. 400, B. 500, C. 600, D. 800. Answer is 600. C. 600. Explanation. 3x plus 2x is equal to 1000, or 5x is equal to 1000, or x is equal to 200, or 3x is equal to 3 into 200 is equal to 600. Answer. Question number 5. The ratio 4:2 is same as A. 4:1, B. 2:1, C. 1:2, D. 1:4. The answer is option B, that is 2:1. Explanation. 4:2 is equal to 4 by 2 is equal to 2 by 1 is equal to 2:1. Answer. Question number 6. In a school, the ratio of boys to girls is 4:3 and the ratio of girls to teachers is 8:1. The ratio of students to teacher is A. 56:3, B. 55 is to 1. C. 49 is to 3. D. 56 is to 1. The answer is A. 56 is to 3. Explanation. Boys is to girls is equal to 4 is to 3. Girls is to teachers is equal to 8 is to 1. Or boys into girls is equal to 4 into 8 is to 3 into 8 is equal to 32 is to 24. And girls into teachers is equal to 8 into 3 is to 1 into 3 is equal to 24 is to 3. Therefore, boys is to girls is to teachers is equal to 32 is to 24 is to 3. So, students is to teachers is equal to 32 plus 24 is to 3 is equal to 56 is to 3 answer. Question number 7. The ratio of boys and girls in a college is 5 is to 3. If 50 boys leave the college and 50 girls join the college, the ratio becomes 9 is to 7. The number of boys in the college is A. 300, B. 400, C. 500, D. 600. Answer is C. 500. Explanation. Boys is to girls is equal to 5 is to 3. And here in question, 50 boys leave the college and 50 girls join the college. So, 5x minus 50 is to 3x plus 50 is equal to 9 is to 7. Now, by cross multiplication, 35x minus 350 is equal to 27x plus 450. Or 8x is equal to 450 plus 350. Or 8x is equal to 800. Or x is equal to 100. Boys is equal to 5x is equal to 500 answer. Question number 8. The ratio of the length of a school ground to its width is 5 is to 2. If the width is 40 meter, then the length is A. 200 meter, B. 100 meter, C. 50 meter, D. 80 meter. The answer is B. 100 meter. Explanation. L is to W, that means length is to width, is equal to 5 is to 2. Or L is to 40 is equal to 5 is to 2. And now by cross multiplication, 2L is equal to 200. Or L is equal to 100 meter answer. Question number 9. If A is to B is equal to 7 is to 9 and B is to C is equal to 3 is to 5, then A is to B is to C is equal to A. 7 is to 9 is to 5, B. 21 is to 35 is to 45, C. 7 is to 9 is to 15, D. 7 is to 3 is to 15. Answer is C. 7 is to 9 is to 15. Explanation. A is to B is equal to 7 is to 9. B is to C is equal to 3 is to 5. 3 is equal to 3 into 3 is to 5 into 3 is equal to 9 is to 15. So A is to B is to C is equal to 7 is to 9 is to 15 answer. Question number 10. What must be added to each term of the ratio 2 is to 5 so that it may equal to 5 is to 6? Options. A. 65, B. 78, C. 13, D. 12. Answer is C. 13. Explanation. 2 plus x by 5 plus x is equal to 5 by 6, or 12 plus 6x is equal to 25 plus 5x, or x is equal to 25 minus 12 is equal to 13 answer. Thank you.